How's it going today, guys? Today we're going to show you how to do a DSG adaptation. Last week we showed you how to do it on your B8 This week we got a prized possession of the B8.5 Audi S4. So let's get to it, guys. So guys, there's a couple reasons why you would need to do a DSG adaptation. First things first, did you unplug your battery? You would have lost adaptation. Did you flash an ECU or a TCU tune? You're gonna need an adaptation. Has it been a couple months? Yeah, you might as well do an adaptation just to make everything nice and smooth. Now you know a couple reasons as to why you should do a DSG adaptation. So now let's get started with the process. Alright guys, so we just got in the car. Now we're gonna go take it for a drive, get the trans up to 40 to 50 Celsius, and then we're gonna start performing adaptations. Alright guys, the trans temperature is at 45 Celsius, perfect temperature to perform the adaptations. First things first, I'll run you through the beginning. Select auto trans, basic settings. We're going to start with main pressure valve calibration. Go ahead and press go. Your vehicle's idle is going to come up to like around 1,000 RPMs. Wait until this says complete, and then we'll go from there. Now that says finish correctly, go ahead and press stop. We're going to go down to the next one, calibration of clutch valves. Go ahead and press go. We're going to run it just like before. Again, RPMs of the engine will rise to 1,000, right around there. Perfect. Finish correctly. Go ahead and stop it. Next, we're going to go to calibration of distance sensors. Go ahead and press go. You're going to hear your actual engagements of the shift fork moving through the selected gears. Do not worry, it's going to make some clunks, clanks, you know how it goes. So don't be worried. Perfect. Finish correctly. Go ahead and stop it again. Next, we're going to move down to adaptation of clutch kiss points. This is the last one that we need to do. Perfect. Finish correctly. We are all done with adaptations. Let's go make sure fault codes, there's nothing in there. Good. All set. So now we're going to go out and enjoy the car. All right, Garrett. Let's see what your car is made of. New brakes for you. Alright guys, so my brother got a 12.2 in his quarter mile. I'm gonna see if I can beat him with his own car with updated DSG tune. You know, odds are my favor, but I mean, let's see. I lowered the launch control to 3,500 RPMs because he was talking about all tires slipping, and I think this should alleviate all that. So once this traffic decides to loosen up in Mexico, we're gonna do a launch here. Traction control off. Here we go, looks pretty good here. Here we go. Woo, saucy. Coming around the bend. Yeah, it was wrong. 11.94, no fucking way! Let's fucking go, boys! No fucking way did I just get 11.94 on a stage 1! Guys, no way. I gotta do that again, there's no way. That did not just happen, there's no way. No fucking way. Guys, that was an 11-second pull on a stage 1 tune. This is pump gas. Michigan, it's cold, it's winter right now. We got winter blend, that's not even good stuff.
We're in Mexico, remember?
I'm in Mexico, sorry. No shit. Guys, I'm not over exaggerating, this is crazy. Actually, this is one of never, that has never been done in a stage 1. Wow. We're on a 0.18 slope. Wow. other than it's cold outside, guys, I haven't even dialed this tune in. This is my base tune on a stage 1. Really made that big of a difference with having first gear shift at 7,200 RPMs. I had it down at 68. I just didn't want to be too raunchy on a stage 1. I backed him down a little bit, but you see the difference. I mean, I didn't even see what it shifted at. It just hit and pulled, and no burning of tires. That's probably the main thing, is it was perfect. We gripped, we ripped, I almost hit something, and I didn't back out of that, so you guys saw the full thing. You're gonna probably give me shit for that, but whatever, we're out here. Come on, baby. Can we do it twice? Can we do it twice? Come on. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Whoa! 11.9, bitch! I'm fucking dead! Whoa! We did it twice! Twice, guys! I'm sorry I'm yelling. I'm sorry. Twice! And 11.9! Guys, they said you needed a dual pulley. They said you need a single pulley to get into the 11s. Let's go! You guys are bullshitting. I fucking, oh! Damn, Garrett's gonna be jealous as fuck. 0 to 60, 3.65 seconds. Just to let you know, my 0 to 60 on an E40 tune is 3.2 seconds, which is hooking and booking. That was supposed to get me an 11 flat, but it did not, due to nobody ever gave me data on my tune, so I had to do it myself. But my brother's car is here to prove it. This is a clean engine, guys. 63,000 miles. This is huge.